gonna be doing the burger challenge. So let's get started. I got dried chili. Onions, fun. I got onions. Who would like a smiley face? Chocolate jam. So we got the chocolate jam. Oh, very big amount. What? Lettuce. Meat. Tomato. Cheese. So actually my sister put some chili in the cheese.
Huh?
So mayonnaise. Okay. Again, chili sauce. Chili sauce. No, I don't. Okay. Big amount. What? Guess what I'm getting? I don't want the mayonnaise. Here, thank you. Stop. Okay. What? Soy sauce? I got soy sauce. Oh, what a big amount.
You juga apaan itu?
Ayoka. So I'm gonna eat this burger that I just made a few weeks ago. And by the way, there's dried chili on it, so. Look at mine! No, I don't want to do it.
Fun. Huh?
Okay, so I'm making my burger better. My burger seems like to be better now. Why are you eating it? Okay, try mine.
Apa
Okay?
mine?
Try mine.
So hot.
No. Try. No, try. No, I'll try yours.
No, no, no.
Oh no!
Maybe yours is good. It's just like anything. Oh. Mine was gross. Okay. It had tomato, lettuce, mayonnaise, onion. This was not in mine, but and soy sauce. And it does not taste good because it doesn't have meat. And it smells really bad too. What? That's what it looks like.
Oh no!
My burger is hot, but it's good. Yeah, and it has cheese on it, and it has a drip No, actually a big amount of chocolate sauce. As you can see, right there. No, you can't see it. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to Vision Kids. Bye!